Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's Thursday adverbs. So more than, an increasing amount, more and more each time, more than yesterday, more than, an increasing amount compared to before. There's more than enough water. There is more than enough water here in the swamp. I have more than enough time. Yes. I have more than you. They have more than me. She has more than enough time for the homework. Yeah. He has more than enough energy. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. So, I know more than her. We have been to more places than them. So we can split it up. More places than them. More places than them. Yeah, still works. I know more words than him. More words than him. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Do you think it will be more than enough? Maybe. Yeah. We're learning more than usual. I'm learning more things all the time, more than usual. Yeah. There will be more than the usual amount of water. The machine will use more than the normal amount of water. It will need more water than the other one. This machine will need more water than that one. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So more than. Yeah, more than enough. More than last time, more than yesterday, more than him, more than them, more than me, more than you. How cool is that? So, can you use more than in a sentence, language explorers? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.